So this is my alternative paint scheme for DarkAngels. So starting off with Wyvern Green, just a single coat all over the model. Then Wyvern Green and Gordian Knot. This is a 1-to-1 mix, so you get a little muted in terms of the sparkle, but it's still there, and it means the next layer is easier to apply. The next layer being more Gordian Knot, just Gordian Knot on its own. So applying this all over the model. This time this is all just with a hand brush, so yeah, nice smooth finish with just thinning down a little bit, nice sparkly finish. You can even add a bit more, add another layer of Gordian Knot if you need a bit more sparkle or it's not quite where you want it to be. Next I highlight with a Gordian Knot and Emerald Green mix, 1-to-1. So that's just on the areas that would catch light, so the collar, some of the shoulder pad bits, the knee pads, just to give it a bit more light. And then a final highlight with Gordian Knot and Ethereal Green. And then again, this is just applied to those raised areas, following the light towards the top of the model to bring focus to the face.